Hi everyone, so as promised today we're going to be opening the Hidden Fates Elite Trainer box, mainly because I just can't resist opening it and it's been sealed for a little bit now and I do have another one on the way anyway, so let's get started. It's a very special one this. I've never opened one of these before, only ever opened 4 Hidden Fates tins. And I do have the shiny Charizard from those. The video of that is on YouTube, so if you haven't seen it yet, go and do so. Right, so, of course, we have the Player's Guide book with all the cards in the set. It's a nice picture there. Quite like that. Let's see what's inside. Okay, ooh. So, just falling out over there is the promo card, Moltres Zapdos Articuno Tag Team. Just going to leave that sealed in there for now. And of course inside we have the energy cards, the sleeves, very nice, the dividers, we have the counters with the tag team one in there as well, which is new. Well, new for me. The die. We have the code, which I'm going to give away right now. There you go. And of course, the packs. So, how many in here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, Mrs. Zard has asked me to let her open a couple of these, so I am going to do as she says. And I'll open 8 of these and leave 2 for her. Okay, so after sorting them out, we have 3 of the Legendary Birds artworks, 2 Mews, 2 Mewtwo's, and 3 Charizards. So what I'm going to do is put on the Legendary Birds and on the Charizards to one side. And that leaves us the 8, 2 of each. Nice. Okay, so I'm just going to go left to right and open these and start with the Legendary Bird packs. Really looking forward to opening these. There's so many cards in this set that I want. And I will be giving some codes away as well. Starting right now. And what do we have? To start us off with, we have Slowpoke, Clefairy, Pikachu, Charmander, Voltorb, Reverse Hollow Metapod, Electrode, the Energy, Charmeleon, Graveler, Farfetch'd. Okay, so one pack in, and I have to say what a set this is. I think it's my favourite one. I know everyone was going crazy about Shining Fates and the pull rates. I've opened nearly 100 packs of that now, and I have to say, I haven't had that much luck with it. And if anyone asks me Shining Fates, Hidden Fates all day long. Okay, I'm going to put that code to the side. And what do we have here? We have Caterpie, Paris, Charmander, Slowpoke, Psyduck, Reverse Hollow Golem, Trainer card, Energy, another Trainer, Metapod, and Giovanni's Exile Trainer card. Okay, so that's the 2 Legendary Bird artworks. Now on to Mew. Have been after a Black Star promo one from back in the day off eBay, but they're quite expensive, so hopefully we'll get one soon. Give you a code. And we have Magikarp, Slowpoke, Clefairy, Coughing, Voltorb, Reverse Hollow, oh no, sorry, a Hollow Garchomp from the Shiny Vault. Very nice. Yeah, Gyarados GX, look at that. Lovely card. We have the Energy, Magma, Charmeleon, and a Jinx. And on to the second Mew pack. Mew. And we have Pikachu, Clefairy, Cubone, Jigglypuff, another Clefairy, Reverse Hollow Psyduck, Psy, Trainer card, Energy, Trainer, and Scyther, and another Trainer card. Okay, so on to these Mewtwo packs now. Shiny Mewtwo, should say. I'll give you the code. As always, let me know what you get in the comments or on social. Always interested. We have Caterpie, Paris, Ekans, Psyduck, Staryu. Oh, Shiny Mewtwo GX. I mean, wow, look at that. Such a nice card. A Butterfree, Energy, Trainer card, Scyther, and a Magma. Hey, so very happy to get the Shiny Mewtwo out of the Mewtwo pack. See what the other ones got. And we start with Clefairy, Magikarp, Ekans, Voltorb, Geodude, Shiny Vault Eevee. That lovely. Huh. Jesse and James art there, trainer card. Now I don't normally go for the trainer cards much, full art or not, but Jesse and James, I am a Gen 1 kid, so I'm very happy with that. And we got the Energy, trainer card, trainer, and a Magma. Okay, now maybe it's just me, but I think this box is full of great pulls so far. I've never been so happy with pulls from an ETB before. We've got 2 packs left. We'll start with Charizard. Artwork 1. Okay, I'll give you this code as well, why not? And we have Jigglypuff, Caterpie, Paris, Psyduck, Charmander, a Reverse Hollow Kangaskhan, Lapras, Energy, Trainer card, Metapod, and another Trainer. Okay. So we are on to the last pack of the 8. Fingers crossed there's another good pull-in, but I can't be too greedy. I think we've done really, really well so far, to be honest. We have a Clefairy to start us off with. Magikarp. Ekans. Voltorb. Geodude. A reverse holo Eevee. Trainer. Energy. Trainer. Trainer. And another trainer. Very trainer heavy, that pack. Okay, so just a quick run through of the pulls of the box. And personally, for me, it's the Garchomp. Shiny Vault Holo there. The Shiny Vault Eevee. Very nice card. The Gyarados GX. I mean, look at that. And of course, the Shiny Mewtwo GX. Hey guys, now the next video is going to be opening this. I've previously opened the blue Battlestars Elite Trainer box, but I am going to open this one up as well, and hopefully we can have some good pulls from that too. Coming up soon as well is going to be a massive TCGO code giveaway, which I will put up, hoping for around 100 cards or so to give away, following my first giveaway of about the same amount. So yeah, I hope to see you for them, as always. If you've liked the video, please like and subscribe so you don't miss out, and I will see you next time.